Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you how to get naturally long eyelashes, because having nice long eyelashes is nice. But before I get into that, if you are new here, please do hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification to make sure you are notified every time I post a video. And if you love having long luscious lashes as much as I do, then please give this video a thumbs up. Now, the reason I really got into my eyelash health and, doing it naturally is because for years I started getting bald spots in between my eyelashes on both sides. So probably like every 4 to 5 months, suddenly like a chunk on both sides would fall out and I would have 2 bald spots on both sides of my eyes, and it looked really awkward, and it just, it was not fun, and there was no way for me to mask it. I also didn't want to go get fake eyelashes because I knew obviously the roots are really weak, and that's why my eyelashes continued to fall out. I wanted to try and heal my roots and to get my eyelashes back to full length and full body, and I don't know, do eyelashes have body? I guess thickness? Thick, long, luscious eyelashes? Is that a thing? It's a thing. I'm gonna say it's a thing. But anyway, I really wanted to get my eyelashes back, and I wanted them to be my very own eyelashes that grew out of my eyelids. So I started using more natural remedies. My little concoction actually begins with a base of castor oil. Castor oil, tried, tested, and true. So good for hair growth, whether it's on your head, your eyelashes, your eyebrows. Castor oil is amazing to grow your hair. My grandma used to use this and I absolutely love it. So I started using castor oil, and I actually mix it with some cedar wood and some rosemary essential oils. Now, both of these essential oils are really amazing for hair health and to stimulate hair growth. So I figured I would add them to my castor oil for that extra oomph, because I really wanted to heal these roots, and I wanted my eyelashes back. So I mix it in a little tiny bottle. It's this big. I choose a small one because it is easier for me to travel with. These are convenient for me to take places, and even this little bottle lasts me quite a while because you don't need a lot. So, I fill a little bottle full of castor oil, and I put about 3 drops of the rosemary and 3 drops of the cedar wood. I don't put more than that because, again, these are essential oils. They're quite strong. You don't want to burn your eyes from the fumes or get the essential oil in your eye. So you put enough that is nice and diluted once you mix it in with the oil, and I give the bottle a good shake. And you can even give it a smell, and as long as it doesn't smell too overpowering, you didn't put too much. And voila, I have my homemade eye serum. Now, every night before bed, once I wash my face and I do my skincare routine for the evening, I then take some on my fingers and I rub it into my eyelashes. So I always start from the top and I rub it first on the top and get it into the roots, and then I use my fingers to gently comb it upwards and get it into the roots. Now, it's not going into my eyeballs because the way I do it and I just comb with my fingers, it's all kind of on my upper lid, and it doesn't even affect my eyeballs. I don't feel anything, but you don't really want to put oil in your eye. So just make sure you're doing it on the outside and then brushing it up so that you are saturating those roots and getting that oil and all the good stuff right in there. Once I started doing that, within a few weeks, I noticed hair growth happening, especially in the bald spots. So they started sprouting, and now I've been doing this for quite some time, and I have not had that problem in about a year now. My eyelashes are getting stronger and stronger all the time. Now, this is a part of my lifestyle now. It's not one of those things where my eyelashes grew back and then suddenly I stopped doing it, because when we do things like that, then things can revert back to how they were. You need to keep giving it TLC. That's a weak spot on your body, or, even if you didn't have bald spots like me, you just want longer, more luscious eyelashes, then I definitely highly recommend using the castor oil. But it definitely is part of my lifestyle. Maybe I don't put it on every day. Some days I don't, but for sure every other day. And it's just magnificent what it's done for my eyelashes. I'm so happy. The other trick that I have is I actually put some of the essential oils into my mascara. So right now I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have the regular one and I have the waterproof. The reason I have these both is because I do a base coat in the regular one, and then I do the top coat in the waterproof, because that way it holds the curl a lot lot more, because if I just used the regular one, then my eyelashes would not stay curled. And I need a good mascara. I love these mascaras because they really do give that full voluminous curled effect, and I have fine light hair, so without a good mascara, I mean, let's just say when I'm not wearing mascara, you can barely see my eyelashes. They're like very thin and non-existent. So I need a good mascara to really pump them up and give me that full effect. But I put 1 drop of each in each mascara. You don't want to put more than that, because then your mascara is going to get oily and, you know, it won't go on very nice, and you'll find it all over your face, and that's not really how you want to be wearing your mascara. So 1 drop of each. And a lot of times I'll even like first one day put 1 drop of the one and like let that mix in and sink in, and then the next day I'll put the next drop of the other one, and then that way they mix together well, and then my mascara is not oily and watery, I guess you could say, just not nice, not like pleasant to wear. So yeah, you definitely want to put more than that, because one time I did put a little too many drops in these before I figured out the right ratio, and yeah, the fumes when I put the mascara on were kind of burning my eye. So I realized then, I'm like, whoa, you know, slow down on the drops of essential oil. So I got it down to 1 and 1, and boom, it works phenomenal. That way, even when I'm wearing mascara, I'm getting that essential oils into the roots and into the hair. So yeah, it's helped. I mean, you know, they're not the longest eyelashes in the world, but they're eyelashes and they do the job, and I'm quite happy with them. So this concoction has done wonders for me, and I was so excited to share with you. So if you definitely want to try something cost effective, easy to maintain, something to easily put into your lifestyle, then I highly suggest doing the castor oil mixed with these beautiful essential oils, and you just get right in there. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.